漆黑夜空突然炸出血红火光，隔没多久又一次惊天爆炸，让目击的民众吓了一大跳。乌克兰士兵开始在多地主动出击，酝酿已久的大反攻似乎已经悄悄展开。暗夜偷袭民用基础设施的俄军无人机遭到德国猎豹防空炮击中，在空中被炸成火球。同一时间，俄军控制区博德扬斯克也遭到轰炸，乌军再度动用英国的暴风影巡弋飞弹。
Moscow-backed officials are blaming Ukraine for a missile strike in the Russian-occupied city of Berdyansk. They believe Ukraine may have used the long-range Storm Shadow cruise missiles recently supplied by Britain. Berdyansk is deep behind the front lines, which would make those missiles a likely choice.
远在黑海的俄罗斯舰队则是遭到乌克兰无人快艇高速冲撞，攻击画面也曝光。
This is that Ukrainian drone hitting a prized Russian reconnaissance ship in the Black Sea. Now, Russia claims that the ship was not hit in the attack. They say it wasn't hit at all, but look at the new video. You can see that that is untrue. The video was taken by the drone as it zeroes in and then you see the strike.
遭到乌克兰俘虏受伤的俄罗斯士兵吐出惊人真相。
Did you come here from prison?
Yes.
Are you in the Wagner group?
No.
From where?
From the Ministry of Defense.
Is the Ministry of Defense already recruiting soldiers from prisons?
Yes.
囚犯被迫上战场，似乎证实先前说法。俄军死伤惨重，被迫从监狱抓人，补充兵员。TVBS 新闻综合报道。
想看最完整的新闻内容，记得下载 TVBS 新闻网 APP。